the journey of a tomato begins long before it ever reaches a factory or a kitchen. It starts in open fields where modern agriculture combines experience, technology, and careful planning to produce tomatoes with consistent quality, flavor, and freshness. In today's tomato industry, farming is no longer based on intuition alone. It is guided by data, precision tools, and a deep understanding of plant growth, all working together to ensure that every tomato reaches peak condition at the moment of harvest. Before a single seed is planted, the land itself is prepared with great care. Soil is tested to understand its structure, nutrient content, and pH balance. These tests allow farmers to correct deficiencies and create the ideal growing environment for tomato plants. Organic matter is often added to improve soil texture and water retention, helping roots grow deep and strong. Proper soil preparation is essential because it determines how efficiently plants absorb nutrients and water throughout the growing season. Once the soil is ready, the selection of tomato varieties becomes a critical decision. Different tomatoes are bred for different purposes. Some are designed for fresh consumption, focusing on appearance, firmness, and shelf life, while others are developed specifically for processing into sauces, pastes, and canned products. Processing tomatoes are typically uniform in size, rich in pulp, and capable of ripening evenly, which makes them ideal for mechanical harvesting and large-scale production. Choosing the right variety ensures efficiency not only in the field, but also later in the factory. Planting is carried out with precision machinery that places seeds or seedlings at exact depths and spacing. This uniformity allows each plant to receive equal access to sunlight, nutrients, and water. When tomato plants are spaced correctly, airflow improves, reducing the risk of disease and encouraging healthy growth. Precision planting also maximizes land use, allowing farmers to achieve higher yields without compromising plant health. Water management plays a central role in tomato farming. Tomatoes require consistent moisture, but too much or too little water can harm fruit quality. Modern farms rely on drip irrigation systems that deliver water directly to the root zone of each plant. This method reduces evaporation, prevents water from splashing onto leaves and fruit, and minimizes the spread of disease. Sensors placed in the soil continuously monitor moisture levels, allowing irrigation to be adjusted in real time. As a result, plants receive exactly the amount of water they need at each stage of growth. As the plants grow, they are constantly monitored using advanced technologies. Farmers use field sensors, satellite data, and drones to observe plant health across entire fields. These tools can detect early signs of stress, nutrient deficiency, or pest activity before visible damage appears. By identifying problems early, farmers can take targeted action rather than treating the entire field. This approach reduces chemical use, lowers costs, and supports more sustainable farming practices. Temperature and weather conditions are also carefully managed. Tomatoes are sensitive to extreme heat, cold, and sudden changes in climate. Weather forecasting systems help farmers anticipate conditions and adjust irrigation or protective measures accordingly. In some regions, windbreaks or shade structures are used to protect plants from harsh conditions. All these efforts aim to create a stable environment that supports steady growth and even ripening. As tomato plants mature, they begin to flower and produce fruit. During this stage, consistency is vital. Any disruption in water, nutrients, or temperature can affect fruit size, color, and flavor. Modern farming techniques focus on maintaining balance so that tomatoes develop evenly across the field. Over time, the fruit changes from green to a rich red, indicating the accumulation of sugars, acids, and natural pigments that define tomato flavor and nutritional value. Determining the right moment to harvest is one of the most important decisions in the entire process. Harvesting too early results in tomatoes that lack flavor and color, while harvesting too late increases the risk of spoilage and reduced shelf life. Farmers use both visual assessment and scientific measurements to determine ripeness. Factors such as firmness, sugar content, acidity, and color are evaluated to ensure tomatoes are harvested at their peak. In modern tomato farming, harvesting is designed for speed and efficiency. Mechanical harvesters move through the fields, gently shaking the plants so that ripe tomatoes detach and fall onto conveyor belts. These machines are engineered to handle tomatoes carefully, minimizing bruising and damage. Leaves, stems, and unripe fruit are removed during harvesting process, ensuring only suitable tomatoes continue forward. Mechanical harvesting allows vast quantities of tomatoes to be collected in a short time, which is essential for maintaining freshness. Unlike manual harvesting, which can take days or weeks, mechanical systems can clear an entire field quickly, reducing exposure to heat and sunlight. This rapid collection helps preserve the natural qualities of the tomatoes and prepares them for immediate transport. Protecting tomato quality during harvest remains a top priority. Conveyor belts are cushioned, drop heights are controlled, and flow speeds are optimized to prevent pressure damage. Even small design details in harvesting equipment are carefully considered to maintain fruit integrity. The goal is to move tomatoes from plant to container with minimal stress. Once harvested, time becomes the most critical factor. Tomatoes begin to change the moment they are picked, and delays can lead to softening, fermentation, or nutrient loss. For this reason, modern tomato farms are often located close to processing facilities. Trucks or transport systems move tomatoes to the factory within hours, sometimes even minutes, after harvest. This tight connection between field and factory ensures maximum freshness. During transport, tomatoes are protected from excessive heat and crushing. Containers are designed to allow airflow, while preventing excessive pressure on the fruit. Every effort is made to keep tomatoes in the same condition they were in at the moment of harvest. Speed is not just about convenience, it directly affects product quality. Tomatoes processed soon after harvest retain brighter color, stronger flavor, and higher nutritional value. Rapid delivery also reduces the need for intense heat treatment later in the factory, helping preserve natural taste and texture. Modern tomato farming also places a strong emphasis on sustainability. Precision irrigation conserves water, targeted fertilization reduces environmental runoff, and efficient harvesting minimizes waste. Plant residues left after harvest are often reused as compost or animal feed, creating a more circular agricultural system. These practices help protect natural resources while meeting the growing demand for tomato-based products worldwide. Despite the advanced technology involved, human expertise remains essential. Farmers, agronomists, and technicians interpret data, make decisions, and adjust practices based on real-world conditions. Their experience ensures that technology is used effectively and responsibly. The success of modern tomato farming depends on this partnership between human knowledge and machine precision. By the time tomatoes leave the field, their quality has already been shaped by countless careful decisions. From soil preparation and irrigation to monitoring, harvesting, and transport, every step is designed to protect freshness and flavor. This smart farming and rapid harvesting process lays the foundation for everything that happens next in the factory. Without precision in the field, even the most advanced processing technology cannot produce a superior final product. In modern tomato production, excellence begins long before the factory doors open. It starts in the soil, grows under careful observation, and reaches its peak at the moment of harvest, ensuring that every tomato begins its journey to the table in the best possible condition. Once tomatoes arrive at the processing facility, their transformation from freshly harvested fruit into finished, shelf-ready products begins immediately. This stage of the journey is where technology, hygiene, and precision work together to preserve the natural qualities developed in the field, while converting tomatoes into forms that can be stored, transported, and enjoyed year-round. Every movement inside a modern tomato factory is carefully designed to protect quality, ensure food safety, and maintain consistency at an industrial scale. The first area tomatoes enter is the receiving section of the factory. Here, large loads of tomatoes are unloaded and fed into intake systems that control flow and prevent overcrowding. Each delivery is weighed and logged, creating a traceable record that links the final product back to its origin. Quality teams collect samples from incoming loads to assess ripeness, color, firmness, acidity, and overall condition. Tomatoes that do not meet minimum standards are separated early, ensuring that only suitable fruit enters the main processing line. After intake, tomatoes move directly into the washing phase. Washing is far more than a simple rinse. Tomatoes pass through water channels where dirt, dust, and field debris are removed. High-pressure sprays clean the surface, while soft rotating brushes gently scrub without damaging the skin. The water used in this process is continuously filtered and recycled to maintain hygiene and reduce waste. This step is essential not only for cleanliness, but also for preventing contamination during later stages. Following washing, tomatoes travel to the sorting and grading line, one of the most technologically advanced areas of the factory. High-speed conveyor belts carry tomatoes under optical scanners equipped with cameras and sensors. These systems analyze each tomato in milliseconds, checking size, shape, color, and surface defects. Some scanners can even detect internal issues such as soft spots or uneven ripening. Tomatoes that meet quality standards continue along the line, while those that do not are automatically diverted. This ensures uniformity in the final product and minimizes waste by redirecting tomatoes to alternative uses. Once sorted, the processing path diverges depending on the final product. Tomatoes destined for the fresh market may undergo final drying, manual inspection, and careful packing. However, for processed products such as paste, puree sauces, or canned tomatoes, the next stage is crushing. Tomatoes are fed into industrial crushers that break them down into a mixture of pulp, juice, skins, and seeds. This process is controlled to ensure efficient breakdown without excessive heat, which could affect flavor and color. After crushing, the mixture is heated briefly to loosen the skins and deactivate natural enzymes that could cause spoilage. Specialized separation equipment then removes skins and seeds, leaving behind smooth tomato pulp. These byproducts are not wasted. Skins and seeds are often repurposed for animal feed, compost, or extraction of valuable compounds, supporting sustainable factory operations. The tomato pulp then moves into concentration systems, where excess water is removed to achieve the desired thickness. Large evaporators gently heat the pulp under controlled conditions, allowing water to evaporate while preserving flavor and nutrients. The level of concentration depends on the final product. Tomato paste requires a high concentration while sauces and purees remain more fluid. Continuous monitoring ensures consistency across batches. For products that require seasoning or blending, the concentrated pulp enters mixing tanks. Automated systems add precise amounts of salt, herbs, spices, or other ingredients according to carefully developed recipes. These systems are calibrated to deliver the same taste profile every time, ensuring that consumers experience consistent flavor regardless of when or where the product was made. Mixing is thorough but gentle, preventing air incorporation that could affect texture or shelf life. Food safety is a top priority throughout the factory, and this becomes especially critical during sterilization. Once blended, tomato products undergo heat treatment, designed to eliminate harmful microorganisms. This process extends shelf life without relying on artificial preservatives. Temperature and time are precisely controlled and monitored continuously to meet strict food safety standards. Any deviation triggers immediate corrective action, protecting both consumers and brand integrity. Packaging is the stage where tomato products take their final form. In filling areas, high-speed machines dispense precise amounts of product into cans, glass jars, pouches, or cartons. These machines are designed to operate in sterile environments, preventing contamination. Immediately after filling, containers are sealed, creating an airtight barrier that preserves freshness and prevents spoilage. Once sealed, packages move through labeling and coding systems. Labels are applied with exact alignment, displaying product information, nutritional facts, and branding. Batch numbers and production dates are printed onto each unit, enabling full traceability. This system allows manufacturers to track products through distribution and respond quickly in the unlikely event of a quality issue. Before products leave the factory, they undergo final inspection. Random samples are from production lines and tested for weight accuracy, seal integrity, appearance, and taste. Automated vision systems also inspect packages for defects such as dents, leaks, or misaligned labels. Only products that pass all checks are approved for distribution. Finished goods are then transferred to warehouses where they are organized, palletized, and stored under controlled conditions. Modern warehouses often use automated systems and robotic equipment to move products efficiently and safely. Inventory is tracked digitally, ensuring accurate stock management and timely distribution. The final step is logistics and distribution. Products are loaded onto trucks and shipped to retailers, wholesalers, and food service providers. Throughout this process, careful planning ensures that products reach their destination efficiently and in perfect condition. The result is a seamless flow from factory to market, delivering tomato products to consumers around the world. Behind every can, jar, or pouch of tomato product is a complex system of machines, quality checks, and skilled professionals. Engineers maintain equipment, technicians monitor processes, and quality teams ensure standards are met at every stage. While automation handles much of the physical work, human expertise remains essential in overseeing operations and making critical decisions. Modern tomato factories are designed not only for efficiency but also for sustainability. Water recycling systems reduce consumption, energy-efficient machinery lowers emissions, and waste is minimized through reuse and byproduct recovery. These practices allow factories to operate at large scale while reducing their environmental footprint. By the time a tomato product reaches a consumer's kitchen, It has passed through a highly controlled and carefully managed process. From washing and sorting to processing, sterilization, and packaging, every step is designed to protect quality and safety. The transformation that takes place inside a modern tomato factory ensures that the freshness cultivated in the field is preserved, delivering reliable, flavorful products that can be enjoyed anytime. This entire factory process represents the hidden backbone of the tomato industry. It is where raw agricultural produce becomes a dependable food product, where science supports tradition, and where millions of tomatoes are transformed daily with precision and care. The result is a system that connects farms to tables across the world, ensuring that the taste of tomatoes remains consistent, safe, and accessible year after year.